I'm watching the Super Bowl. See this? Super Bowl. Anyway, so I got my Super Bowl.
Oop, there's Rocky once around it.
And there's I'm cheering for the Patriots. Patriots will win. I think so. I don't like the Rams. Pretty good. I like these chips. The ranch dip, but with hot wings. Boo Rams. Boo this. Go Patriots.
Rocky, your picture's starting to kind of get curly. Brooke, can you just go see what Becky's doing? I'm worried about him. And bring a bag down here for trash. There's one in front of the cupboards on the floor, okay? It's colored. Oh.
Yeah. Yep. That's what I sound that Patriots will win. Patriots will win.
I see him. He's in the kitchen.
What's he doing?
He grabbed a cup.
Patriots will win.
Hey, Brock or Becca, do you want me to cut up some of that beef?
Hey, mister, make Patriots win. Please. I want
What are you
Patriots
doing?
to win.
What you eating, bud?
I want Patriots to win. Sure, bad. Haha. Wait, no. No. I want the Patriots to win. I don't want the Rams to win. I want the Patriots to win.
Yeah.
Like, come on. Patriots. Patriots. Go Patriots. Come on, Patriots. You have to do better on the Super Bowl this year. I'm counting on you. What? That doesn't make any sense. That's stupid. That's stupid. That's just stupid.
Yeah, go Rams.
Boo Rams. Oh, go Tom Brady. Go.
Look. Hey, Dad, look. She's actually holding on to the flag.
Go Patriots. I did this drawing because I wanted the Patriots to win. Come on. Come on. No. 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 That doesn't make any sense. I want to watch. Let me watch. Okay, Tom Brady throws. And then I don't want to watch carefully though.